Twitter is the place where people can share opinions with the world and stay up to date with major national and international news. This social network is ideal for companies as they can use it to expand their reach and connect with their current and potential customers. You can increase brand awareness, raise your company's profile, and increase the impact of your marketing activities using Twitter to communicate regularly with your followers. Expand your reach even further with Twitter ads. This option allows you to promote products and services through different types of ads, which will be displayed based on several factors. As with any other ad platform, ads are targeted to the right audience considering different social, demographic, and behavioral variables, so targeting is critical to achieving results. If you're interested in advertising through Twitter ads, you can choose from 3 ad modes. Tweets promote. If a business is looking to increase its reach while gaining maturity in its industry, hiring promote tweets may be a good idea. These have an almost identical appearance to normal tweets, with the only difference being that at the bottom it is specified that it's a promoted tweet. Promoted accounts. If your tweet goals are more about increasing your followers and forming a larger community, the best thing you can do is promote your account. This type of action in Twitter ads is to appear first in the list of suggestions that all users view at the top right of their timeline, and the goal is to get the maximum number of people to click follow button. Promoted trends. To impact a specific audience, you can resort to creating a hashtag and turning it into a trend. This type of Twitter ad makes it easier for a brand, product, or service to become trending topic, being visible to all Twitter users in a certain country or region.